wiki.ezvid.com. Search Ezvid Wiki before you decide. Ezvid presents the 10 best bowling bags. Let's get started with the list. Starting off our list at number 10. Designed for serious league bowlers, the Storm 3 tournament has a transparent top that makes it possible to take stock of your supplies without even opening it. Plus, its recessed wheels make it less likely to tip over, which is important considering its capacity. It stands up well to frequent use and comes with a drag strap for pulling. However, there's no shoe storage area. At number 9, if you don't need lots of bells and whistles and don't feel like paying extra for them either, the Brunswick Edge is a smart choice. It has 2 connectable handles and a detachable shoulder strap with sliding padding for an enjoyable carrying experience. It includes a 2-year warranty and the fabric wipes clean easily, but the zippers sometimes stick. Coming in at number 8 in our list, the Storm Solo is a no-nonsense option that's perfect for those who prefer to carry only the essentials with them. It features a comfortable adjustable strap and several zippered pockets for storing your wallet or keys. It's equipped with sturdy reinforced seams, and its vibrant colors make it stand out. However, it lacks sufficient padding. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for bowling bags, or simply click beneath this video. At number 7, the Ebonite Transport 2 holds 2 balls and has a center divider. Unlike many larger options, it will remain upright on its own, which should come in handy if you tend to spend time standing around chatting while waiting for your game to start. It fits in the trunks of most cars and is made in the United States, but the wheels tend to squeak. Moving up our list to number 6. The charming vintage appearance of the Pyramid Prime 1 harkens back to the golden age of bowling, the 1950s. It has a simple shape with a single zipper along the top that allows users to access their equipment quickly and easily. It features a foam holder to secure the ball, and its nylon won't tear under strain. However, there's no shoulder strap. Halfway up our list at number 5. The Kaze Sports 3 boasts 6 pockets and a mesh pouch, so all your belongings can have their own dedicated space. This thoughtfully designed model makes the process of transporting liquid items like ball cleaner a less risky endeavor. It features an ergonomic contoured handle and wheels that handle bumpy terrain well. It's available in 6 designs. At number 4, if you're not a fan of lugging your footwear to the alley in a separate bag, go for the BSI Taxi Single Tote, which is big enough to hold a pair of shoes in addition to a full-size ball. Those who require even more space will appreciate that the interior cup is removable. It's made from a durable polyester blend fabric with soft padding on the shoulder strap and ridged feet for stability. Nearing the top of our list at number 3, the Pyramid Path Pro Deluxe is a duffel-style option that offers a hassle-free way to prepare for your next match. There are no wheels to deal with and no internal straps to adjust. The only thing you have to worry about is picking up that spare. There are many colors to choose from, all with an attached name tag and pockets on the side for accessories. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for bowling bags, or simply click beneath this video. At number 2, the Athletico holder is a fitting solution for anyone concerned about keeping their supplies in good as new condition. It has vented panels that help prevent the buildup of moisture, which can cause mold to form over time. It features sturdy hardware and reflective piping, and it's suitable for air travel. And coming in at number 1 on our list, for a reliable option that won't break the bank, look no further than the BSI Deluxe, which accommodates 1 ball and comes with a built-in personal organizer pocket for all your small items. The zippers are equipped with tassels that make them easy to open. This one's excellent for beginners and is 14 inches wide. It's available in vibrant colors. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for bowling bags, or simply click beneath this video.